boys and girls. Today our sight word is come. Will you come here, please? Come and pick up your toys. A lot of sentences that I can think use the word coming, which is a form of come. But a lot of times when we say come, we're asking someone to come here, come closer, come and do something. And I can't remember if we've done this page or not, so I just real quick wanted to jump on here and walk you through this one, okay? So up here in the star is the word come, C-O-M-E, come. There is a spot for our name, so we'll go ahead and write our name. Remember, only the first letter of your name is capitalized. All the rest of your letters are lowercase. Perfect. So our first job is to trace the word. Now remember, we have the top line, the dotted line, and the very bottom line. The letters in come are all short letters, so they only go from the dotted line to the bottom line, but we still start at the top. So can you see? Okay. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to circle around kind of like I'm making an O, but I'm not going to close it all the way. Okay. For the O, I still start at the top and I make almost like my C, but I keep going until I complete my circle. For my M, we don't pick up our pencil once we start, okay? Little line down, we trace that line back up and then go over, up, over. I don't pick my pencil up until the very end. E, I have to start in between the dotted line and the bottom line. I start right here, okay? And I'm going to go over and then around kind of like I'm making a C, okay? Then we're going to practice writing it. C-O-M-E, all lowercase, small letters. You can color it. I'm not going to color it right now. I'm going to skip this one just for a second, okay? Spell it. So remember on the page yesterday that you did, I think it was yesterday, where you had the picture and you had to write the letters that you heard and then you wrote the word in the sentence and you read it and then you colored it, the one that had so many things to do. These boxes are the same as those boxes, but these boxes are all the same height because come has all short letters. You'll notice that the box for the M is a little bit wider because M is sometimes wider. So putting our letters in these boxes, my letter is going to touch the top of the box and the bottom of the box. Okay? Great job. Clapping the sounds. I don't really know why I skipped this one, but we'll go back to it. So clapping the sounds, this is something that we're going to start getting into and start practicing more. I can't remember the days without looking at them, and I record my videos a little out of order. But one of the days during our morning meeting, we are practicing syllables. This is the same thing. So clapping, or no, it's not. Sorry, scratch that. Scratch that. Clapping the sounds. When we are sounding out a word, and we make our Spellington, and we sound out the sounds that we hear. Let's see how many sounds we hear when we say How many sounds do you hear in the word come? I hear 3 sounds. Do you hear 3 sounds? I do hear 3 sounds. Good job. So we are starting to talk about syllables, which we are doing in our morning meeting, and that's where I was going with this in the beginning, but then I remembered that sounds and syllables are both words that start with S. However, they are not the same word. So clapping the syllables, let's clap and see how many syllables come is. Are you ready? Come. How many syllables is the word come? It is only one syllable. There are 3 sounds, k, but it is only one syllable. Good job. On this line right here, it wants you to write a sentence using the word come. I'm going to let you do that one. I want you to plan out your sentence using the lines. Maybe my sentence would be, come here, please. And then I would go back through and write my words, but I want you to make your own sentence, okay? So plan your sentence out and then write your own words. And then, last part, I know, you guys are super awesome now. You're going to cut out the letters down here, and then you're going to glue them in the correct order right here to build the word come, okay? So you're going to use these little letter squares, put them in the correct order right in this area to make the word come, and then you are all done. And you guys did an awesome job. We will be using the word come this week to learn it some more. And then you guys have a book to search for the word come and read it as well. Have a good day, guys.